Okay, welcome students. So this is the second part of the video from lesson number 5. So we are going to start discussing about page formatting. So what is actually page formatting? Like you format text on a page, you can format also the pages of your document. Like page formatting includes adding a page border, changing the page size, orientation, paragraph, line spacing, these all comes under page formatting. So page formatting includes this form following one, two, three, four, five things. So first of all, we will go to uh, the orientation. So there are basically two types of orientation, as you can see here given in the picture. One is portrait and another one is landscape. Okay, so by default it is the portrait one, the first one. Okay, so how you can change the orientation? So let us go to MS Word. So to change the orientation, you have to go to the page layout tab, and then in the page setup group you have to click on the orientation button. So you can see here two types of orientation. You can click on landscape, the orientation has changed. Okay, now the next one is changing the paper size. So in the same tab under the same group page setup, you'll get after orientation, you can see here the size. So click on size. This is the default size, that is 8.5 by 11 inch. Okay, you can set it as A4, which is the default paper size, what the paper you get on the market, or your book is also A4 size. You can click on A4 and then you can take out, print out on a paper. So the size has been now set to A4 and the orientation is now landscape. Okay. Similarly, you can give margins also. There's a margins here, normal margin, narrow margin, what type of margin you want. So margins also will appear on all sides of the paper. Okay. So it is actually visible when you are taking printout on a paper. Okay. Next will come paragraph spacing. So paragraph spacing is actually the spacing between the paragraphs. Suppose here this is the this is one paragraph, and this is another paragraph. Okay, which ends here. Now if you want to increase this gapping between these two lines, you can use the paragraph spacing. So this is the paragraph spacing. You can get the paragraph spacing here, before and after. So let us go to the MS Word. So first of all, you have to select the paragraph from where you have to give the spacing. Okay, so select the paragraph. This is the paragraph where I want to give the paragraph, you use the paragraph spacing. Then you go to the page layout section, page layout tab, and then you go to the paragraph group, and there you'll see spacing before and after. There are 0 points are here. So before will increase the gap here, and after will increase the gap here. Okay, so let us increase, and you can notice the change there. Okay, 18 points are given here. Here also I increase. So at the bottom also the gap has increased. So likewise you can use the paragraph spacing. Now we come to the section called indenting, paragraph indent. What is paragraph indent? It is the space which you leave from left and right margins of the page. So this is the right margin, the gap on the right side of the page, and this is the left margin. So how you can set it in MS Word? So you can see here, this is the left margin. When I click on this button, okay, here is the margin here, cancel. So you can see the margin is coming. This is the right margin, and this is the left margin. Now to change the indent, you have to go to the page layout tab, and then you go to the paragraph group. This is the spacing on the left side of spacing. You get the indent. You have two indent, left and right. So you can change the indent of the left. So you can see. Okay, first of all, you have to select the paragraph. which paragraph indent you want to change. After selecting it, then you click on the left. So you can see the indent is moving and the paragraph is also moving to the right hand side. Similarly, also you can increase the or decrease the right indent. So I increase it. So you'll notice a change. This one is moving. You can see here. Okay. So this line is moving. So while the left margin and right margin are changed, the paragraph is adjusted in the particular manner. Okay. Your writing is adjusted. So this is how paragraph indent work. Then comes page border. Okay. Now what are page borders? It is a border around the page which makes the page more decorative. Uh, if I show you with the help of example, then you'll understand what is page border is all about. So I have a document here and you can see here the whole page has been given a border, all the pages of the document. So it looks very attractive. You can see here. Okay, so nice and decorative. So to apply that border, what are the steps you have to do? No need to select here anything. Just go to the page layout tab and in the page background, you click on page border button. So from page border, you click on whatever style you want. Suppose I want box here. This one I want it. Then you can click on a art. Suppose if you want to give arts. Okay, so many arts are there. You can click on a art and then click OK. So you can see here that that border is applied here. Okay, so this is how uh, page border is all about. The steps are given here. You read the steps. Okay, then comes after page border is printing a document. Printing a document is very easy. First of all, you click on the uh, office button here, and then you'll get the print option here. So you click on print option and then the print dialog box appears and you select the current page. This page I want to take print out and then click OK. So it will be printed on a printer. You have to select the printer from wherever you want it. Okay. So this is how it works. So I hope you have understood this lesson. So you have to read the whole lesson together, read it nicely. All the steps you see in the book and this chapter review points you also read it properly and then try to complete the tick mark, true and false, okay, MCQs, fill in the blanks on your own. Okay, thank you all of you.